Will you miss working with Belle?
Oh yeah, 100%. The good thing is, it doesn't mean that just because we're not working with each other, we're not gonna talk anymore, we're not friends, This is something that is already so deep. The foundation me and Belle have. Yes, we're really gonna miss working with each other.
What's the one thing you would miss the most about working with Belle?
Just how much we eat on set. It's always a different cuisine. We eat everything. Lechon, Japanese food, sisig, sinigang, kahit ano. Lahat. Minsan nga, magbubudol fight kami. Basta anything talaga.
And I get
Parang answered prayer talaga si Kuya Ay.
Yun din yung ginagawa natin, diba?
Yeah.
Sobrang lalim na naging parang foundation namin ni Belinda kasi nag-start kami friends talaga. And I think that's why we really cherish what we have kasi at the end of the day, we've gone through so much talaga. We've gone through all the ups and downs, Vicey. Grabe yung parang roller coaster ride namin dalawa. And we're just really happy that I think this is the healthiest our foundation is in right now.
Yes.
Kasi I just feel like same tayo ng wavelength. Alam mo yun? Na parang
He's a man of integrity. He's very trustworthy. He's also very generous. And yeah, those are just some stuff that I really do appreciate about him. And he's a great partner, but other than being a great partner, he's a great best friend.
At this time, when we've been married for like 32 years, I feel so at home with him. And I like that because then I can look forward to many more years with him that he's my friend. I don't know about him. You have to ask him.
I'm gonna take a break and we'll see. But right now, I think that's why it's also very exciting is because I haven't planned anything after this. I'm just open to seeing the possibilities. And I'm opening a couple of business ventures this year.
Oh, wow.
That's
Okay.
for sure. And it's been in the works for so long. But obviously, my focus has been on this movie, on the last project. I'm for sure gonna put a lot more focus on that. Spending time with my family, my friends. I feel like I've missed out on so many things. But I mean, it comes with it, right? Babawi muna ako sa mga na-miss out kong oras. Yun muna yung gagawin ko.